Hi guys! So, good morning or good afternoon or good evening, wherever you are, how are you? I'm going to review this product. It's about the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow product and they are new. Bagong labas lang siya. So, I'm very excited to try it. This is going to be my first impression regarding this product. And, balita ko, this is a dupe sa napakasikat na product, the Huda Beauty Obsessions Palette. Okay, I'm going to show it to you now para mas mapabilis at hindi kayo mainip sa aking pagmumukha. Okay, this is Beauty Glazed 9-color bright eyeshadow. I have Saturn, I have Jupiter, I have Uranus, whatever you call it, and I also have the Neptune one. I think I did not get the Mars because I have a lot of eyeshadow that has the same colors like that. So yeah, this is the Beauty Glazed products and I'm so happy to have them. They say it's a dupe, but we're gonna see if the pigments are really great or yeah. So first we're gonna look at the Neptune Beauty Glazed 9-color bright eyeshadow. And wow, look at those colors. Okay, this is a pressed powder eyeshadow. Okay. There's instruction here and the ingredients are here, which is good. And Beauty Glazed products are cruelty-free, which is really nice. Okay. So I'm gonna do swatches about this and I'm gonna show it to you. First, we're gonna do first here. Okay. Wow. Pigmented siya. I like this one. You see? Yung shimmer niya. Very nice. I hope you can see it in my camera. I don't have a really nice bongacious camera. But, yeah. It's workable. Maganda yung shades niya. Pinupunas ko na lang sa pants ko. Grabe. I'm so dirty. Okay, this dark one. I bet. There's this one. Oh. And and this yellow, my favorite color, of course. I hope you're good. Uy, maganda din. Yeah. And the other blue one. Grabe, parang ang creamy. Ang creamy pag kinuha mo siya, parang nalapat lang siya on your fingertips. It's like a press powder, but it's creamy and soft on your skin. So yeah, this is the swatches for Beauty Glazed Bright Eyeshadow Neptune. The planet Neptune. It's beautiful colors. And here naman is the Saturn. I'm gonna do a swatch too. Wow, I love the colors, guys. It's nice. Where am I going to put it? So maybe here. Okay. Oops. Wow. Grabe sa pigment eh. Alam nyo na, this is very cheap too. That's why I was so excited to get it because it's so cheap. Hindi siya nakakabutas ng bulsa. So, I got it from Shopee and it's 150 pesos. From a Pump Up store. Uy, ganda din. Ganda orange. This is Saturn. And they have this other one. Madaming medyo pa gold. May bronze. Yellow gold. Magaganda. Where na ba ako? This one. Medyo, wow. Sobrang smooth niya i-apply ha. Super smooth. Grabe. Dumi na ng pants ko. Buti na lang pambahay lang yun. This one. Ito kakulay ng, medyo kakulay ng sa lips ko. Ayan. And this. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is really good. So this is Saturn from here to here, and this is Neptune. Beautiful colors, guys. Maganda po. So let's move on to the other colors, which is Jupiter and Uranus. Okay, nangangati ang ilong ko. Okay, Jupiter first. The biggest planet that when you combine all the planets, it's gonna fit inside Jupiter and there's gonna be more space. That's how big Jupiter is. Oh my gosh. Okay, simulan natin dito. Ganda ng pagka-red. It's like when you put this eyeshadow, it's gonna pop up on your eyes. And all they're gonna see is your eyes because it's so colorful. It's very pigmented. And the way I really do it, it's so soft on your fingertips. Daldal ko naman. Irish, why are you so madaldal today? Wow. This is probably gonna be one of my favorite. Ganda. Wow. And medyo maraming purple dito ah. Ayan. Ayan ang swatches ng Jupiter. Jupiter. And last but not the least, Uranus. Yeah, Uranus. Medyo malapit ang kulay nila sa isa't isa ni Saturn. Okay. Ang gaganda ng color. Tsaka yung pagka-shimmer niya, iba. Hindi siya yung nag-fall out na shimmer like the other eyeshadow, but we're gonna see. Uranus. Wow. Ganda. Saan na ba ako? Wala na si ate. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Ito nga. Sa dark green na shimmer naman. Wow! Holy macaroni! Wow! Ang ganda, grabe. May naiiba. Uy, brown. Ang sarap, parang kape. Wow! Grabe siya, te. Nangyari sa'yo. Wow! Guys, Uranus is good. Actually, they're all good. Look at those colors. It's really nice. This is for this. Yan. Okay. So, alright. So, for my next video, I am definitely gonna do a tutorial regarding those colors. So, my first impressions. Oh my gosh, this Beauty Glaze, they're really rocking their products. I've seen so many good reviews about their different palettes. Actually, napapansin ko lang na medyo ginagaya niya yung mga super luxurious products from Huda Beauty na mga eyeshadow and or yung Jaclyn Hill. Pero yung Beauty Glaze, yung Impress Me, Gorgeous Me, they're really nice products too. But this one, they are really worth to buy and worth a try because mahilig ako mag-eyeshadow. I'm really a fan of playing with my eyes, doing eyeshadows with different colors, and I can see that I'm really gonna love these colors and the pigments. They're really good, and yeah, for me as a makeup artist, this is a must-have. And even if you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. For 150 pesos each, this is gonna rock your life. So yeah, mamahalin ito ng mga taong kagaya ko na pulubi. Yun, yung mga taong hindi masyadong mahilig mag-spend ng pagkalaki-laki, yung bang cheap mga cheap Charlie dyan, yung mga nagtitipid kaysa bumili ng Huda Beauty 9-color eyeshadow palette. Doon na lang tayo sa mura. Less than, how much is this? I think mga $2. But on Amazon, I see that this is like $8 or something. I don't know why, but in the Philippines, in Shopee, Shopee offers so many discounts. And so, nakuha ko siya $150. May free shipping pa ako. Tapos, may discount pa ako na nakuha. So, it's really a great deal. And I'm so happy about my haul. And I like it. So, yeah. So, the next video, I'm going to show you a different eyeshadow. Paglalaruan ko siya, and I'm gonna make a tutorial about the eyeshadow look. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe so you can make me happy. Adios. So